Major home renovations with the highest return on investment in 2024. If you're thinking about major home renovations, here are some 2024 projects that can help you get the most return on your investment. First up, a kitchen remodel. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and kitchen remodels continue to deliver an impressive ROI, particularly if you opt for energy-efficient appliances and timeless designs. Bathroom renovations are also key. Walk-in showers, upgraded vanities, and modern finishes can give your home a competitive edge in today's market. Garage additions are another fantastic investment, adding both storage and curb appeal. Outdoor spaces like decks are also important. Buyers love great spaces for entertaining and relaxing. Don't forget about curb appeal. Landscaping, a fresh coat of paint, or even upgrading your front door can make a great first impression. Attic and basement conversions are also great for adding usable space and increasing your home's value. At Thomas Custom Builders, we specialize in renovations that maximize your return. Let us help you turn your renovation dreams into reality.